Hi guys, this is Moopy333 and that over there is Ellie. She's my sister. We're gonna have a Nerf Gun War. I have the Maverick. It's pretty powerful, 6 bullets. Yeah, it's pretty good. And secret weapon is drumstick.
Hey guys.
Yeah, this is drumstick.
Ellie.
He's a chicken.
Over there is my brother.
I'll let her
Moopy333.
finish that.
And
Then we'll get the battle started.
Jaden, what's your Nerf gun?
Maverick.
My brother has the Maverick, and I have the Mag Strike.
Watch this.
Ow! What was that for?
Yeah. That is how you assassinate your sister. It was a headshot too. Okay.
This is
I'll get her again.
Ow!
I got her again,
What
babe.
was that for? That hit my cheek.
Headshot again.
Cheek.
Which is on your head.
Anyway, so when my brother
We'll
counts,
begin.
when Moopy333 counts,
Okay, we have like 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Is that all your bullets?
No.
Ooh, it's nice and cool.
Drumstick away!
Pork chop away! Yeah.
You missed! That was a close one. Got one bullet.
Same here.
It's my final.
I got one bullet.
I got final bullet.
Final bullet. Okay?
This is the final countdown, people. Ready? Let's go. Drumstick away!
Pork chop away!
Oh yes! Rebounded off the wall and got you.
Yeah!
Come on, use your final. Use your final bullet! And I lied. I have one bullet left. Headshot. Here goes a headshot. Come on, use your last bullet.
No.
Use it. Ha, missed. So that was our really lame Nerf Gun War.